Why do tiny batteries that fit inside of your phone cause trucks to catch fire on motorways? Why do airlines refuse to take certain devices even when they look safe? The answer is that lithium batteries are not ordinary cargo. They are classed as dangerous goods, and moving them the wrong way can create serious risks. In the next few minutes, I will explain how to transport them safely. So, why is moving a battery such a problem? After all, we use them every day. The issue is simple. When lithium cells are crushed, overheated or short-circuited, they release energy violently. Fires spread quickly and are very difficult to extinguish. That is why the rules for transporting lithium batteries are much stricter than for most other types of waste. Before I give you a step-by-step method, think about this. A standard waste carrier license does not protect you if you put unlabeled boxes of batteries on a van. If there is a fire and the paperwork is wrong, insurance may not cover you and the Environment Agency can take action. So how do we do it correctly? First, classification. Lithium-ion batteries are recorded as UN3480 or UN3481 if they are packed inside equipment. Lithium metal batteries are recorded as UN3090 or UN3091 if packed with equipment. All are Class 9 dangerous goods. Next, packaging. Terminals must be covered with tape or caps. Batteries must be cushioned so they cannot move. Boxes must be approved for dangerous goods transport. Damaged or swollen batteries cannot go in normal boxes, they require special containers. Then comes labeling. Every package must show the lithium battery mark with the correct UN number. Large shipments must also display the Class 9 hazard label. Documents must include the UN code, package count, weight, and an emergency contact number. And finally, transport. Small shipments may fall under limited quantity rules, but above that, the driver must be ADR trained, vehicles must carry fire extinguishers, and emergency instructions must be in the cab. Lithium batteries are essential for modern life, but they demand respect when moved as waste. Follow the rules, and you keep people safe and stay compliant with the law. If you found this breakdown useful, leave a comment or share it with someone who handles recycling or transport. Thank you.